Do you need a timer for your church services or your conference meeting to manage the time given to each speaker or artist? And this is a timer that I use to manage the time that was being scheduled. CueTimer. With this CueTimer, I can schedule the time assigned for each individual who will be on the stage for their session. And in this video, I will teach you how you can use it on EasyWorship, vMix, and OBS. Stay tuned to learn so you can recreate. Thank you. To activate the CueTimer, we need to come to this new over here. I will be asked to input the name of the person or moreover the action or which the person is performing. So in my own case, I can put praise and worship. And if I click on this thing here, you can see I have a lot of options. And the countdown actually means counting the time from the higher value to the lower value. Count up actually means counting from the lower value to the higher value. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be choosing countdown. And here, this first two numbers mean hour, this one means minutes, and this one means seconds. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using just 30 seconds. Warning is actually me pressing to know that this time is already going. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using 15 seconds. If I should click on it here, you see I have a lot of other options here. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using hold and I will say approve. So for me to see what I've just done, I will come to output here and I'll say preview. Now you can see my countdown, praise and worship. I set it to be 30 seconds, as you can see 30 seconds. For me to kickstart this countdown, I will need to come to my command tab here and I'll press start. You can see it's counting down. Once you get to 15 seconds, it's going to change the color to yellow. Now you can see the color has been changed to yellow, and once it finishes counting down, the color will change to red. And now the color has been changed to red. This is to notify the person that your time is up. And if, for instance, you want to send the person a message that your time is up, that is when you come to this message here and you come to edit. So in this case, you write what you want to tell the person on the stage. So in this case, I will write your time is up, sir. And once I finish typing whatsoever thing I want to type here, I will come to show. And now you can see it has been displayed here. And for me to remove it, I just need to click on this show again to remove it. And I can just cancel it from here as well. So what this means is just for me to hide the time countdown. And if I want to bring it up again, I will click on it. And if, for instance, I don't want to show the countdown, I want to show my actual time here, I will click on this clock. Now you can see it has been changed to this time here. And for me to remove it to change to countdown again, I will click on this. Output is actually talking about how you display your countdown to your audience. Now you can see our preview, which is this. Now full screen is actually talking about your projector. Web is actually talking about website. And NDI is the one you are going to share within the network system. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your output here and you click on this NDI and turn it on. And in this case, I'm going to turn off this preview so I can manage my screen. And the next thing for me to do is to come to my EasyWorship. I will come to this media tab. I will come to feed and I will click on this add button here. Now in this case, I'm going to name it. And from here, it asks me to input the device I want to use. So I will select the first one, as you can see, CueTimer. Now you can see the countdown has already been imported here. So all I need to do from here is to click the OK button. And now if I bring this under my schedule here and I double tap on it to display it, now you can see it. Now if I come to my CueTimer and I add another list of the person that I want to minister. And here is what you need to take note of. The one with this dim color, as you can see, is the one that is activated, as you can see here. And if I want to change it to this second minister, I will need to come to my move to here and press it down. Now it has been moved down to this evangelist, which you can see here. And for me to kickstart it, I will just need to press this start button. And now you can see for yourself, it's already running on our EasyWorship. And I can pause it I can restart it and I can stop it. This is my vMix and this is my CueTimer. For me to bring this CueTimer into my vMix, the first thing I need to do is to come to my output here and make sure my NDI is turned on. And I can come back to my command and I will come to this add input. I will come to NDI and now you can see the CueTimer. I will click on it and I'll say okay. Now you can see it already been shown in this place. And for me to kickstart this time, I will click on the start button. Now you can see the countdown is already going. Now, assuming this video here is our live stream video that we're broadcasting to our audience, and this black color has already covered everything. How do we remove this black color? First of all, let me send this video output. And now this video is already playing, and here is my countdown. I want to overlay it on it. I will press this one. Now this black color has covered this video. For me to remove this black color, I will double tap on it. I will come to color key, I will enable the color key, and I will come to this luma key and just drag it up a bit. Now you see the black color has been removed. I can cancel it from here and I can come to my QuickTime here to start the time. The video is playing and the countdown is also going. And what if I want to reduce this countdown size? I will come to the countdown here, double tap on it. I will come to position and I will just use my zoom tool to reduce it, and I will use my mouse to drag it up. And once I finish positioning, I can just cancel it from here and I come back to my video. I can start the video again. Now you can see the countdown is there and the video is also playing. And for me to import this CueTimer into my OBS, I will come to my add button here and I'll select NDI. In this case, you need to make sure your NDI plugin is already being installed on your OBS. And I'll select the NDI source. I will give it a name. I'll press OK. I will click on this place. I will select CueTimer. Now you can see the CueTimer has already been imported. I will click on OK. Now you can see the CueTimer. If I come to my CueTimer here and I bring it down to go for evangelist and I start the time, you can see the time is already been going. But you know OBS already, the video is there and the time is also going. For me to remove this black here in my OBS, I will need to select this NDI. I will come to filter. I will come to this add button here and I will select color key. I will just say OK. I will come to this color. I will click on this place. I will say custom color. I will select the color from here and I will say black. I will press OK. So once I finish selecting the black color, I can come to this place and I will say, and now the black color has been removed. Now let me play the video. The video is playing and I can start the time as well. And you can see the time is already counting. I can come to my QuickTimer here and I reduce the size. One thing you need to know is once the time gets to 15 seconds, the color is going to change to yellow and the color will change to red at the end of the day. And what if you are in a case whereby you don't want any color to show at all? You come to this option here, preferences. You come to this color and animation and you scroll down. Now you can see the warning. This is warning, which we know already that is the warning color that changes to yellow. I would say from this place, I will select transparent, which is this one, and the background color as well, I will say transparent. I will come down again, as you can see, over time, meaning the countdown has just finished counting. From this border here, I will select this, and from this background here, I will select this. I can come back to my command, play it again. Now you see it has reached warning seconds, but it hasn't changed to yellow. And now let's see it when it gets to 0. That is how you can eliminate the background color in OBS. If you find anything helpful in this tutorial, I will appreciate your like and your subscribe. And please do well share this video.
Thanks for your time.
See you in the next one.